In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable ad blocker on Microsoft Edge, Browser Easy, updated 2026 full guide. If a site asks you to turn off your ad blocker, pages aren't loading correctly, or you want to support creators by allowing ads, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything works by the end. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure you're using Edge, not another browser, since each browser manages extensions differently. Once Edge is open and you're on any page, look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots in the top right, often labeled Settings and More. From the menu that appears, choose Extensions. This opens Edge's Extension Manager, where you can see everything you've added to the browser. Now, find your ad blocker extension in the list. Common names include AdBlock or similar tools with Ad or Block in the title. If you're not sure which one it is, click the extension's details to read the description. Ad blockers usually mention blocking ads, pop-ups, or trackers. To turn it off without removing it, toggle the switch next to the ad blocker to the off position. This disables the extension completely, but keeps it installed so you can re-enable it later with a single click. It's a good choice if you only need ads enabled temporarily for a specific site or session. If you're certain you no longer want the ad blocker, click Remove to uninstall it from Edge. Confirm the prompt that appears. Removing frees up a little system overhead and ensures the extension won't turn back on. If you change your mind later, you can always reinstall it from the official Edge add-ons store. After making your change, whether you disabled or removed the extension, restart Microsoft Edge and refresh the website you were using. Close all Edge windows, reopen the browser, and load the site again. A full restart helps clear cached behavior, and a manual refresh ensures the page loads with your new settings. You should now see ads where they were previously hidden. If ads still don't appear, that's okay. Some sites show limited ads based on region or timing, and other privacy tools or security software outside Edge can also filter content. But within Edge, disabling or removing the ad blocker and restarting the browser are the only steps you need. That's it. You've successfully enabled ads in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your pages working the way you want.